Nge mingla Dr. Kesan Chudu Shuye, Ongara de Mungo Doguling, Shijagi, Sane, Titi Amenga Amji, and Tari de Anzu to the Lingu on the Kodi Shube, Neum coronavirus COVID-19 infection Gikebe, Angaranzu de la Shijakala, Amji, the primary healthcare level Amjida, and Tinashi Mesha Bada, Hunzulang and Zuge, Lopsot Nagagi. Legu chunju jipe yore tina anu la ngara la chushi ti and management of COVID-19 cases ti kola ni ye to chunju jushuwe ye tina deve shuche and the guidelines da recommendation shuche ngara zo kya shu rangi guidelines recommend chi yo and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.gov.in dinne maine ne anju ke ti chigyo ye follow chigyo ye ngara zo kya rang la yobe ke kya shu ge guidelines da dinne kanga follow chi yo Thongwa de la ta dingmo di joshi sheba and amji sheba choge khoran jo song chaware and nge angya thundun ji repeat china tenso clinical features COVID-19 infection the acute respiratory illness re tinano la shukche ta tanda ne naza digi neta khari yungurla na chawa bawa fever dry cough low gyawa tinashi shortness of breath uksa wala sowa ani muscle pain sore throat any suzugi sense of taste sense of smell deal lawa tiche ti nyamdo naza shimba symptoms less commonly iba patient and to share la soba any shime ga la soba vomiting diarrhea nausea dinde yon sigre any ya things angi thindu ya kunjugi clinical features sawachi things dermatological manifestations mangboji and the pagne da den ditewe ya mangboji kunju nedash thongu to peshana covid-2 la du the frostbite chibana shi che symptoms de do che covid-2 la ya den to antena shi rashes libido reticularis den de skin changes ya mangbo thongu to so the incubation period de covid-19 ki up to 2 to 14 days up to 14 days badu incubation period yon se bare ta ding anjo neba de nishi neta da den jong anjo ta jeshi ke tu tende yongu re anjo yeba che ai de neba khande chen yeba che ba neba naza neta chimbo do neta nyunyu do ya naza dubu do ya neba tangjo tha thu sar ba den de di yeba che gi categorization of the patient atanda ding gi joshi de kunju de shi shu che inge na ni de ni kongba me shu kunju ma che inji ra na de chik den jo the nurses da member shu che kwanjo inji ra na lobjon che de kunju ko to rest ani that and the categorization of patient in a group thangbo the mild and very mild cases then suspect confirmed suinare mild and very mild categorize niva de la group niva de la moderate cases che sumbadi severe cases suspect and confirmed both but severe that and the group thangbo the mild and very mild cases nala kari yorilana patient chawa barai soma fever cough coryza la na chuthme bata malaise diarrhea overall influenza like illness then the influenza ngajo namgi gi influenza flu yoro dina shingi illness simbala ina dubushida mewache chawa bar lo gap coryza yugyo malaise yugyo thogoshe rusu gap tendeda very generalized symptoms non specific symptoms you see bare kunju now la these patients are very comfortable and they care uksa da ya saturation drop che den de care yungu maris patient respiration rate less than 15 normal ngajo usually we take 14 to 16 normal lengre at less than 15 che and saturation is more than 95% on room air tinje category nala mild nam chugre niba the moderate cases nala khariyorla na any signs of respiratory illness with no signs of severe disease ke neta me vache patient din anula respiration rate of chi shabrajna 15 to 30 per minute chonga ne sumju badu yon sivare in a minute and saturation the 90 to 94% on room air yon sivare the adult nang che the pediatric nang le ngang chu chashan na kisi den de pu jile wala jena pu ji ngang chu thokba yo bache usa che den de nishi neta yo bache ine digi ngang chu mild moderate severe the label chidan di adult na chibu jigya mare pu nang ya criteria loga yoris pu patient a child with cough and difficulty in breathing with fast breathing without any danger sign moderate cases na khar lai yurna pugu chigrwa chamba da lo kya uksa tinde chigi yores u yogo tangi yores ina ya hunju na la danger sign che mewache tinde condition ina tinganju moderate cases na la china tigres ta peshana u yogo tangi le de ya koran zo lo da pawe koran zo nganju na range yore sangma pugu chunju da ya pugu gemba sangma chigba mewache koran lo dan dawa pawe range yore and the patient respiration rate kese dawa nili nyunga yina and if it's more than 60 per minute chigna la 60 le manga yina then dinganju fast breathing or we call it tachypnea like this and kese dawa ni ne logic paralina if it's more than 50 ani kese logic ne ya gem bacho longas paduchi version kese shipchu le manga yina nganju tachypnic lani pet fast breathing chigi tos the data change le and the moderate cases na tachypnea yo bache chambe neta changma yo bache covid-19 ge sign changma yo bache but severe pneumonia ge sign yo mares de nyam do danger sign che me varjina ngajudi moderate cases na la china tigres sumba dikharina na severe cases severe suspect or confirmed cases severe na tangjo adult nan chasana severe pneumonia respiration rate the sumjule manga kama signal ra saturation di kaja gupchule ma nyunga iba less than 90% on room air with din yam the complication khande in the present chisi vare patient ARDS acute respiratory distress syndrome yo bache ya septic shock yo bache then or some other thrombotic condition complication yo the DIC yo na khari yo origina di sama severe now it's pediatric na ya severe ladu khande laguna child with cough and dyspnea with respiration rate criteria thangi moderate cases na chibi kya che nyam do baby na la kisi cyanosis develop chi yona cyanosis ladu bluish discoloration che saturation less than 90% on room air ani child with severe distress but usa pe mangu che nyam do grunting ladu baby is making sound uktang uppe kal khakpu che kesu dinde che nyam do chest withdrawing in the rib cage the intercostal muscle gangar po nyam do pechuk chimbudi kunjo contract obvious visible yuna severe cases nal consider chore de nyam do danger sign khashi jore pediatric nanula pugu nanula patient warjna baby the inability to breastfeed or drink omatung matuwada chutung matuwada ame omatung gu mewa dinde chikche niwa di lethargic baby pet dull che nyokto kaju namgyu pe active playful chimutse chigina thanda pe nyokto che dinde ina danger sign chikre or baby is unconscious anjona thimba thowa da dinde che indi me ba ani kisi convulsion dinde ngaju fits na seizure dinde ligiduna diganga danger sign answer viewers kisi tension ani criteria yo origina and dinganju severe cases na level chigres the severe cases na the complication kang risk nis issue na the thangbo the acute respiratory distress syndrome ARDS the definition dikhar lagi yore sana new onset of worsening respiratory symptoms within 1 week of known clinical insult infection in a way taya injury in a way any kind of clinical insult tiki 1 week nanglola there's a respiratory symptoms which is rapidly worsening choko within 1 week now worsen chiwache and then he is landing up in respiratory failure then we call it ARDS the kissing anju diagnose na dindela helpful the chest imaging chiyore chest x-ray chinare or if available CT scan chest CT thorax chinare in a bilateral opacification yowacha not explained by effusion mewache or lobar or lung collapse shimba excluding factor chi khari yorlana respiratory failure che which is not explained by cardiac failure ki cause mewache or there is no fluid overload then ARDS simbata anju gi chagindi chigi yore tak ideally confirm khande churlana arterial blood gas analysis kore the ABG ladu the shuk cheda anju shija khamenga nangla yo mare the ICU setup da dinde yo warjana ani kesi yo warjana china ya shure ABG arterial blood gas sample the and then in ABG analysis china then we can see different parameters dittan in the pavangazu further categorize chiya da severity di chiya label chiya la pe kheba tures peshana ta di just for information ki mild moderate severe ARDS PaO2 upon FiO2 ki ratio di kunju define chigre if it's less than 300 and then mild, if it's less than 200 moderate, if it's less than 100 then it's severe. Yes, complication ni va dikhari yorla na tin so kheche ajik sepsis la de ta sugu gangala nyanga de phe wache sepsis sugu gangala nyanga phe tu ngonjo sepsis len ta phege na la ta layman term na sure is na sepsis la ya khona zo criteria khashe jore dinge and shugi tangbo de systematic inflammatory response syndrome SIRS cheba SIRS ta de khari lagi yorla na kisi a clinical response with more than 2 of the following the parameter thambu ni wasumba shiwanga wa nalo ne kisi ni yana ni le manga yona ani nganjugi SIRS lani label chigres systematic inflammatory response syndrome. The criteria thangbu de karillana temperature if it's more than 38 degrees centigrade or less than 36 degree, tachycardia like the heart rate but yoga power more than 90, tachypnea like the respiration more than 24 per minute, leukocytosis like the WBC the 12,000 per MCL limanga and leukopenia ladu less than 4,000. Tin yamdo like hisi 10% or more than 10% band cell yo warajina. Denzo nani criteria khagi ni yana ni limanga yona manjugi systematic inflammatory response syndrome like this. The next level the khari yorana sepsis. Sepsis definition, how would you define ladu SIRS with confirmed source of infection. Thanda the gang inflammatory systematic inflammatory response syndrome yevege ta nyamdola kisi source of infection confirm chira wajina nganzo sepsis lagres ni but that somebody khares in severe sepsis de kharwe sepsis na yim bache sepsis ta sugu ganga nganzo confirm che sepsis ratios infection per dose de nyamdola there are other signs of severity like signs of organ failure chigyo ge sign yo bache tin yamdo hypertension like systolic BP less than 90 mmHg or lactate level 4 millimole le yaga the manga chi yo na and then we call it severe sepsis. That and the gala signs of organ failure or organ dysfunction, like how would you define signs of organ dysfunction? The criteria like any kind of organ failure chagina the specific symptoms doing great the patient altered mental status for if you have compromised CNS blood flow then mental status altered chayada khema nalata if renal blood flow compromised chagina there can be reduced urine output case adult nala 1 ml per kg per hour le sorry if it's pediatric one less than 1 ml per kg per hour adult nala 0.5 ml per kg per hour in atuna then signs of organ dysfunction in symbol then she weak pulses extremities cold chayada skin mottled chayada evidence of any coagulopathy like DIC or anything these are the signs of organ dysfunction severe sepsis la organ sepsis with signs of organ failure or dysfunction with hypotension with lactate more than 4 millimole per liter. Children nangnola signs of organ dysfunction there are few clinical signs patient capillary refill time kesi 2 second manga doeda warm vasodilation che with bounding pulses tachypnea skin mottled chakyo then she particularly rashes or hyper or hypothermia khagi yomarajina diganga signs of severe sepsis. Now comes septic shock. After severe sepsis, septic shock can define chigure ladu sepsis tanging severe sepsis ki criteria ganga yovache sepsis with hypotension with signs of organ dysfunction with high lactate in the cherva and even after adequate fluid resuscitation and need for vasopressors like noradrenaline to maintain BP more than 90 mmHg and mean arterial pressure of more than 70 mmHg. The severe sepsis criteria the signs sama yovache and dilanganjogi we gave resuscitative fluid the patient is not able to maintain adequate blood pressure, adequate mean arterial pressure, then we call it septic shock. And the jalanganjogi the fluid manage we had to start vasopressors patient noradrenaline the dopamine then the infusion start and we call them septic shock. the broad dose the sepsis continuum che SIRS the ganga thandange te she shu sai SIRS ki criteria che SIRS the next the level de la sepsis ligre SIRS plus suspect or confirmed source of infection. After sepsis there comes a severe sepsis which has sepsis with signs of organ failure, hypertension, high lactate, and when we are not able to manage severe sepsis, fluid gets managed chimathutu and then it will land up in septic shock. Shock na fluid di chimatu fluid gi manage vital nizo maintain chimatu che and then manzo gi vasopressors add chigu chungdu and we call them septic shock. The chart di nalata the COVID infection gi overall tanganzo picture do jita di nalata shayore, but you can't timeline the exact time in the care to you mata nimati nala din the stage din do rate in the care mare, but rough tanganzo anazo idea raya chido khande progress chigiyore khande immune system khawa involved chigiyore, and just to get an idea the patient na di naza severity cherwa vertical axis the horizontal the time course khali time course problem chidung anjo suguna changes khande yogres. Initial thangbo the early infection the very high viral infection pe shukchumbo the viral response bit mangbole, and then khali ma to the new the pulmonary phases lung symptoms na respiratory symptoms ne go chugres, and the next la ani stage 3 lana ma that khali ma progress chido and hyperinflammation sugu gangala immune system hyperactivate chache, and because of hyperactive immune system ang anjogi sugu nanola different symptoms that it and some immune system hyperactive chave kengire tinso deshe gache the patient clinical symptoms thambo early infection early viral response nala mild constitutional symptoms thangingel deshe gavane influenza like illness toche chawa cough coryza malaise arthralgia generalized weakness anything any fever 90 more than 99 degree Fahrenheit, dry cough, diarrhea, headache, anything. Pulmonary stage will be any on the uksa then they go through severe shortness of breath, hypoxia, declined PaO2 upon FiO2 ratio less than 300. Then AR test na describe chivinashiche. And stage 3 la hyperinflammation stage will be any full ARDS, SIRS, shock, cardiac failure, dinalani maland up cheturis. Clinical symptoms cherwa ani ne lab wise ta original kisi viral infection na lymphopenia yon severe increased prothrombin time D-dimer LDH the ganga che pulmonary phase na chest ki imaging na you can see in chest x-ray CT scan zuna ta yore transaminitis elevated SGOT-PT da hepatitis de yon severe ani last hyperinflammation stages te wala ani specific immune markers patient CRP the interleukin 6 D-dimer, ferritin, troponin, probin, BNP elevation. That is so sane mengala yo mare. That is just for information. So overall picture jik how go ji naza di khande progress chi yo me. Tatanda naza gi neta dishe chawi sign and symptoms che and then she categorize chi sare mild khande lagire moderate khande rave severe khande rave tatanda tang next comes management tang khande chini manage chigi ba cases tin khande yewa chigi khande manage chigi gya shungi and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare .gov.in nala kunju gi ta chashi mangbo ste your strategy anga so gya na la yewe kengi ta kunju rang gi guideline jo follow chiye de ani today lego gan ya song shayre gya kona de guidelines jo follow ya kuchen chira nerwa ta da kunju guideline ge according the COVID dedicated facilities khashi ji yore COVID dedicated facility la du ta tanda jo manage chela khande chigi menga khagi nang la label khari chigi ending e tanda khashi shi that 3 types of COVID dedicated facilities are proposed. Some COVID dedicated facilities kya shungi na sum proposed chishayre. Each facilities should have areas marked separately for COVID suspect and confirmed cases. Facilities sum diyo na each facility dela suspect and confirmed ni areas shasapet loga jigoyus. Under any circumstances, they should not be allowed to mix together. Kunjungi khatu mix che chogumes bet loga shagoyus suspect and confirmed che. The center thangbo dikhare lana COVID care center cherwa these two chedure mild and very mild cases. For mild and very mild cases di nalo ya separate areas for suspect and confirmed cases with separate entry and exit, preferably individual room you know ya wache ani di inji minji menga rang la setup chi mogo che kesi ta kesi case mangbule bache ani ngaju manage chi matu den de chungwa jena ani yengi hostel hotels schools stadium dewala ya setup china digres ani covid care center la we should have one BLS basic life support ambulance check injim injam the gores and that level thangbu into next level niwa da level sumba gi center nyamdola it should be well connected kesi ngaju mild cases che hof the mail the deteriorate cha den de chungwa jena refer chi chu tang chu che ambulance sama 30 go use. Next, the dedicated COVID health center, DCHC chelwa. The cases khari chedure lavarina the for clinically moderate cases. Thangi the mild and very mild cases che the moderate cases lare and the nala either menga chiganga konazo DCHC dedicated COVID health center suna digre yana menga chig block chig the dedicated COVID health center suna digre and thanga neshichibu jigan check separate area for suspect and confirmed cases with separate entry and exit. Din alolanda dedicated COVID health center langa jo special chig khari go dusunda kunju beds with assured oxygen supply 24/7 and the oxygen supply diore di 24/7 inchi minchi go to the namdolaya dedicated BLS ambulance service go to ani case center sumba the dedicated COVID hospital DCH ra that the hospital the highest level of care rate COVID infection nanula the comprehensive care for severe cases only for severe cases the either it can be full hospital or a separate block in a hospital chig block chig lowa sona digre full menga ganga dedicated COVID health hospital in a degree. The non facility khari go to fully equipped ICU full equipped nyamdo ventilator with oxygen supply critical care tedu di nala khari chagem go the sama khans yebache and tinalo ya kunju suspect the confirm area ni bet block loga go to nyamdo de time yebache diche dedicated COVID hospital they will be referral center for DCHC and CCC and the thinking in level thangbu da niwa jwa COVID care center the dedicated COVID health center ni referral point the anjo dedicated COVID hospital da uche chashayre deche thangi anjo categorize je anjo COVID center dedicated COVID center sumji yorwa COVID care dedicated COVID health center and dedicated COVID hospital this sum categorize che and this is to gain that thing other overall flow chart manage khande chige ani khande tangins the patient anganso the never chile COVID suspect race and the confirm chi malis the suspect ke ding azu thangbu categorize chi mild symptom do moderate symptom do severe symptoms do this sumla mild moderate and severe symptoms thanging ek samwa dishe shusai जैसे खंडे नालो symptoms mild ना खा रहे moderate खा रहे severe खा रहे तो किसी mild very mild case चले वाले जे ना अंत थांगशो मंजो खरी चोरे admit to suspect case of COVID care center की suspect case center ला मंजो admit चे दिने नी COVID-19 test चे तो दे report दे चिदा ganzo ngana so chija menga doina nimani ni sum ko to ganzo ba ngana so sanela ta che medu in the real time RT-PCR de mage Bangalore yana Bangalore ta to ganzo talu menga gyun tangi yore ni kunzo nimani ni 2 to 3 days go to and di para de la ni ganzo suspect ngana so COVID care center la nya che tiche and di kesi di nimani sum je la report le negative thema la je na and discharge and symptomatic management khate udo chawa maintain re antibiotics tenere fluid tenere ORS da dehydration di che do khagi ten symptomatic manage chi ma ta sha je kisi COVID test positive thema la je na neba de positive na and then shift to confirmed case section of COVID care center in the COVID care center ge mild and very mild cases shasa jirwa the nanu confirmed cases nala and korama shift che and tela phage ran manage che ni bade ni kesi suspect the moderate symptoms moderate case in symptoms the moderate symptom yorigina the ya chibuchiga suspect case ki ward nalo la admit chi of dedicated COVID health center ki suspect case section nala admit chi che and then she test che kesi negative thema regina non covid block hospital na la shift che non covid block hospital na shift che kesi positive cha wala jena ani confirmed section of dedicated covid health center na shift then manage accordingly kesi severe cases level jena severe case level na and then khaptu korang an dedicate admit to dedicated covid hospital with ICU facility da thanging ya ventilator da critical care support te thunge gi facility la tudu korang khadu khan kyo ni ni korang mage ta shayade ani tudu korang da the next the steps into korang mage ICU pagene dingire covid test che kesi negative na konju accordingly manage che in non covid ICU section na non covid block na korang manage chigire kesi positive na ani covid block of ICU section na ani accordingly manage chigire atanda ding anju nega chi khar dula na ngaran su ta today lego wala menga yuve kha mangbut na lu ne da dele menga re ni dele menga ta ngaran su kya na lu la ta phebe shija na lu menga yuve kha ne dele menga che ani pelagu begi soje khansa menga chen ngaran ju shija detail menga de nganju sum covid care center established che kunju cheshi yore covid care center la de ta thamda na mild and very mild cases che do tingaran su tinalo la ani manage che ta nganju cho shu che shu distress de mild cases de la khande chindi chigi ni khadu de che ko do de che ani moderate cases de cases stable yo wada ngaran su manage che tu sa rest samna manage na digre en case moderate cases de but deteriorate chagi yo wada ani nganju khum samare samna ani and the dedicated covid hospital la ni refer chiye de che cheshi do che plan do che ta clinically management ta namgyu ke chisi ne ba dendelia warjana ani khari chigire khandi chhure da de ko do du chunju shugi for mild and very mild cases tira usually on symptomatic treatment madute umare chawa bagtu antibiotic te and then if it's little lethargic de do da ani then we can give ORS and dehydration yabuche tende chinetigire kunju now like daily fever and vital parameters monitor chigure nima takwa fever da ani chakshe bp saturation de ganga inji monitor chiguye symptomatic care with antibiotics and adequate hydration with ORS for moderate case also same daily fever and vital and parameters to be monitored symptomatic support treatment te antibiotics tenere ani shamba ORS tenere dinyam do ani nganjugi supportive therapy khashi jiore for moderate cases patient na ta kisi saturation thangi lava na shi kisi ma drop chi to 90 94 or less than the ma to na ani we can give oxygen therapy respiratory distress with increased respiration rate and dyspnea with saturation less than 90%. Oxygen therapy gala ta tedu kisi khunju method mangbu yore tedala patient na nasal cannula unit na tigre face mask na mangbu yore simple mask yore partial rebreather mask non-rebreathal mask and venturi mask patient na nasal cannula do yena ta de kola do chunju ji shuna tan kenzo manazo chija khangi feel mage lega chidu ni the idea go shengo ajil kechum do chunju shu nasal cannula de karila low flow oxygen delivery system re usually nganje oxygen flow the 2 to 6 liter per minute badu sha chogu yore FiO2 fraction of oxygen in inspired air na oxygen give fraction the 24 to 44% badu te yore and the case 1 liter lena we can give up to 24 room air lena it's only 21% and 2 liter in a 28 3 for 32 4 liter 36 accordingly on 44% badu manjugi nasal cannula nala te yore next advantage khari yolana cannula nasal cannula patient can eat comfortably talk comfortably while continuing oxygen it's easy and simple to use very good tolerability disadvantage khari yolana low flow system re maximum oxygen delivery only 44% of oxygen but te yore and chronic use chivarajina and mucous membrane the nasal mucous membrane is dry che de kangi thesigre niba de khari yore face mask na simple oxygen mask yore and the picture na shide there's a mask with metal piece nose gan del conform che exhalation pores che and then oxygen source the tubing de source che and then strap mask de fix che to mask na la ya simple oxygen mask de feature khari na kunju gi FiO2 nasal cannula letis manga te thogre patient 35 to 60% badu to thugre oxygen flow rate we can give up to 10 liters 6 to 10 liter per 10 digre advantage khari yorlana oxygen gi concentration delivery this manga yore disadvantage khari yorlana it's little uncomfortable this yore any tight steel gore and the 24/7 ga gu chona and nebal this made da de kangi thigre simple mass member thanda ni ya shamba partial rebreather the non rebreather mass tende khashe yore ta di and the feature gang tabular form na compare chisha yo patient device simple mass la do 5 to 10 liter or 6 to 10 liter ten tigre FiO2 maximum 60% bodu tugre characteristic kharina only mask check po yore shamba khe yo mare tiche partial rebreather mass the yena tin na la khari yorla na mass shedinium dolaya reservoir yoris reservoir bag you the FiO2 can increase up to 80% badu increase chithugure room air mixing the nyunga yoris dina she non rebreather mass ina simple mass with reservoir with one way valve which doesn't allow air to mix with the inspired air the expired air mixed to mares because of that highest FiO2 the 95 ne 100% but to res is if possible kisi go chuna you can give non rebreather mask saturation maintain machina and option partial rebreather mask by yore simple mask yore that the level of content oxygen content khazu go the pa ngazo increase che yore the pictorial diagram da che simple mask la the only mask back che me che only tubing che partial rebreather ladi mass the wall de la reservoir bag chiyore polythene bag ta pak tap khasa ta shu do je tap chiyor to khona attach khona kit ligre ngaso lot inde kare mare ani not rebreather mass thing it o yim bala khona lo la ya valve chiyore valve the air mixing allow ching mare that's why 100% badu ngaso FiO2 te thugre ani fourth one is Venturi mask the and the partial rebreather the non rebreather ni difference re mikta rajina kungi chebache gya de ke chilon ta de ke ba yo mar but the only difference is dela valve yo mare phajola valve yo re valve the inspired the expired air ni mix chi ma chu tu such oxygen content de ma te thores Venturi mask the one of the face mask we have in our medical system the high pressure flow re kunjugi nalo the oxygen tubing the nanola they have this thing they have narrowed the entries your entry now some kunju pressure the langa namki do story na ko narrow chid but full pressure high flow pe shukchum bogala oxygen leaves that's why the feature chick there is Venturi mask your Venturi mask high flow device race FiO2 control here your race room air mixing nyunga your suitable for chronic CO2 retention that's carbon dioxide retention chronic in the cases nalola this that pembayoris that is one type of mask the nalola Venturi mask nalola depending on which kind of cap or clip you use the oxygen port determine the produce color coding your and deep saturation the iris blue in at 24% or white in at 28% orange in at 31%, 35, 40, 60. The power with FiO2 khaju te odo and the high flow gangla and FiO2 khaju par godo the pare yuris. The next the langanju moderate cases tanda discuss the main moderate cases management discuss chi there nganju gi symptomatic treatment te yore and other supportive treatment nanola the oxygen therapy chik te de kisi oxygen take and then further patient deteriorate cha and nganju ko respiration ya go maintain chi ma to de chewa rajena and one option is positive pressure ventilation nganju take to where you rest and it's a temporary resort so that the nganju higher center the dedicated COVID hospital transfer chigo yodi ni nganju positive pressure ventilation patient ambu bag the mask unit in the gang 10 degrees patient AMBU ambulatory bag and mask unit the indication kharna if severe hypoventilation respiration is less than 8 per minute apnea cardiac arrest and any we can give in pre-oxygenation rapid sequence intubation chegi chashi yona rapid sequence na pre-oxygenation dite any chito rechine yabu yoris advantage khari ladi bag and mask ventilation is very simple technique. It's easily available. Ventilation assist chigire FiO2 100% badunga ju tethwe yoris. Disadvantage khariyolana uncontrolled hyperventilation. Sometimes hyperventilate tures. And this is only for temporary use. On the law, we dedicated COVID hospital la transfer ICU setup na pagala intubate chieda ventilator support for temporary use. On the bag and mask ventilation gala patient de ma transfer chituwe and a disadvantage karlana and gastric distension. Good thing is the experience in the person then go mare for intubation you need to be trained and the but bag and mask ventilation anyone can give. It's easily available, it's very easy to do, and in time of very severe cases or in time of need you can do it very easily. The oxygen therapy positive pressure ventilation and the main by option things are the medical field na the sawa facility mangbu yore chidna nizong azong so thede mengal yo mare but it's just for our knowledge. High flow nasal oxygen system chig yore and non-invasive ventilation chirwa they may be considered when hypoxemia not elevated after standard oxygen therapy. Standard oxygen therapy di chela ya hypoxemia di elevate chigi minduna option consider yoris, and depending on the availability of the equipments the yume that depends chirwa. It should be cared by experienced personnel capable of endotracheal intubation in case patient deteriorates acutely. Then so experienced person yam to go facility setup yosala go so that saturation maintain machu high flow nasal oxygen yana non-invasive ventilation gala shower jena. If the patient deteriorates immediately, then we should be well equipped and trained to do intubation anytime. NIV now BiPAP the CPAP and some include cheers. The MB bag the just a rough component lana that face mask face mask the nose na mouth the cover patient gala and they have a pressure valve and this thing 360-degree swivel, and there's a self-inflating bag and so inflation oxygen inlet and they have an air inlet and pressure release valve, and they have a reservoir and the ganga and ambu unit chikris the port the oxygen porting and so my oxygen source oxygen pipeline cylinder and they might connect this. Then yeah, how much will you give? Back pump khatu depends. Okay, see, the BLS support you can give up to 10 to 12 respiration in a minute signal 10 to 12 10 a day and case ACLS the 15 to 2 every that the bag and mask ventilation ambu bag the condition fit chigi ba kissing operating instruction the first open the mouth and clear airway clear till the head the picture the head the tilt backwards, push the jaw upwards and extend the neck the extend and it is beneficial to insert artificial ventilation if available. Then they chive kabla kisi and the laryngeal mask airway LMA yana endotracheal tube yovarjana insert chena chiye yore kisi the mevarajana ani kaptu anzo mask the gashana tigre. Hold the mask of appropriate size. Mask the age pa appropriate size yore adult mask size logare pediatric logare neonate logare ta the size the pa equal the size ideal sizes nose na the mouth ear the ganga cover chore the cover che and then you can give bag and mask ventilation at appropriate rate. The thanda ding anjogi respiratory support moderate cases la oxygen therapy the positive pressure ventilation tere kesi go chuna NIV te that ganga che thanda respiration support che would do sometimes you need fluid therapy and fluid therapy the patient na kesi patient septic shock laina initial management langanzo we can give isotonic crystalloid normal saline or ringer lactate. In adult you can give up to 30 ml per kg in first 3 hours. In children up to 20 ml per kg in first 1 hour. Additional fluid boluses yangette would do mindu can be based on clinical response tagi and again then manjuge perfusion target chikta simira the perfusion target the improve chigdana and then otherwise you can give accordingly. fluid में बा शिबांग आजो खाते हैं योर ना septic shock management ला we can give vasopressus तो नमगी ना आजो थुगी ना dopamine दा noradrenaline इंटेगी योरे but तंदा strictly कुंजो recommendation ना ला norad तने यागिरेस to be given for septic shock instead of dopamine infusion. Perfusion target लाते ता आजो fluid therapy ते septic shock ना ले दे shock तो सामान थंगी ngेंगो ला clinical पगे नाल दिशे क्या septic shock कर रहे हैं severe sepsis कर रहे हैं ना जो fluid teres IV fluid crystalloid गंगा tere but what's our target खदु बदु टे हो रहा है target खरे लगे target the clinical parameters खासे जो रहे पेशना mean arterial BP mean arterial pressure more than 65 mmHg mean arterial pressure the major chitu हुए ना well good and enough किसी में वाले जिना you can consider systolic BP more than 90 mmHg roughly लेना चाहिए यानी urine output adult नाला 0.5 ml per kg per hour ले मांगा ये ना चिक्चे children नाला 1 ml per kg per hour ले मांगा ये ना perfusion target मंजूर दे रहे यानी शंबा चिक clinical improvement in skin mottling and the poo नाला skin mottle चाहे the skin changes चाहे देने योरे and then clinical improvement चीना चिक and improvement in capillary refill time and improvement in level of consciousness and improvement in level of or decrease in level of lactate कैसे available you ना and this हमारा perfusion target रे perfusion target है conservative fluid management to be given in patient with SARI without septic shock SARI like this severe acute respiratory illness without septic shock ना then मंजो नमगी तुगुंडो conservative fluid management ना जरूरत है डेटे ना टेगरे डेचे तादी तंदा shock दी इंजी आंजो that commonly faced chigmare most of our cases will be very mild cases moderate now oxygen support te go do dende khashi yon se vare but kesi yai severe dende le was na shock na le rajina and then you can consider these measures meantime you should arrange an ambulance so that nganjo covid dedicated covid hospital la khang kyongkyo kanjo shift chitweche but meantime you can give all this support system and the fluid and stent third one is empiric antibiotic the and the guideline ganga khatangi ang shivana shire Ministry of Health and Family Welfare gov.in ne khunju ki guideline recommendation chi sonre empiric antibiotic can be given in SARI patients within 1 hour with sepsis khunju te chog raise based on clinical diagnosis and local epidemiology the clinical diagnosis based gala antibiotic that te chog raise empiric antiviral drugs like neuraminidase inhibitor patient oseltamivir the Tamiflu dinditwa they can be given for influenza case influenza thopa mangbo yona influenza laten integre where there is local risk of circulation no routine systemic corticosteroids for treatment of viral pneumonia the ARDS ki treatment lang jo routinely what we have habit in our practice is steroid jo glucocorticoid hydrocortisone ta take this ARDS indilete this should be stopped no routine systemic corticosteroids patient khandilena systemic corticosteroids routinely take your mares they have reported survival benefit no reported survival benefit chegim in those with possible harm with immunosuppression they might suppress your immunity which will further make it difficult for the body to clear the virus so routine systemic corticosteroid matena yagres to be noted glucocorticoids can be given in very severe and rapidly worsening condition condition khashe jate chogre and for short period of time for 3 to 5 days tenadegre and that too the dose should not exceed equivalent of methylprednisolone 1 to 2 milligram per kg per day you convert methylprednisolone equivalent jumara hydrocortisone tegunare dexamethasone tegunare or any kind of prednisolone tegunare kha teguna methylpred gi dose equivalent 1 milligram per kg per day gi dile manga techomares what are other specific drug therapy the drug therapy shibang and the empiric antibiotic tenete chuvre antiviral tere we can steroid depending on this and other specific drug therapy hydroxychloroquine the recommendation is 400 milligram twice a day for day 1 followed by 200 milligram twice a day for on day 4th plus tablet azithromycin 500 milligram once a day for 5 days total 5 days ke treatment course recommend this is an off label indication it's not strict label indication mar off label indication in patients with severe disease dukja yokoda and requiring ICU admission, you can give these two drugs. To be noted, QTC interval jirwa and the QTC interval it has to be monitored accordingly, because many cases have already prolonged QTC interval yudu kunju naula ania tachyarrhythmia yonga that then there is mangbo yudu cardiac complication yos wade. That's why that maintaining the minji khona monitor chini ani accordingly tiade. NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and ACE inhibitors and ARBs, angiotensin receptor blockers, they are to be used cautiously, but they are not contraindicated. Namgule engage in the contraindicated mare, but cautiously used here. Other optional beneficial treatments under multiple trials. That mengache wada gesa gehab developed nations and then alakunju the mangbochi research kanto te yore kashikha sama trial chi de yore dinane remdesivir main chi kyore remdesivir antiviral che immune based therapy patient convalescent plasma che neba thagri chi plasma de le dine antibody extract chi nganju gi plasma rich fluids de antima de che immunoglobulins SAR COVID-19 specific immunoglobulins che interleukin 1 interleukin 6 tenzogi inhibitors che and even antithrombolytics ya kuju tashim bade and dinashi dinjo ganga tas treatment support denga sisa khala yo mare, but these are just for our information. They did in the research and trial to give yours. One thing is chemoprophylaxis la deta kisi nga zo thikin to the COVID positive thungi chigi nangmi inare niya kola care chingi gi namgi healthcare professional dinzo inare tangjo ganga infection yonga gi nyenga yuduta dila maya gi kango che ta geje gathamada kunju gi ka thu mare, but the in this chi contribute chi landi recommendation di yore tinale eligible sur la healthcare worker involved in care of suspected and confirmed case of COVID-19 chikche niwa the asymptomatic household contacts of laboratory confirmed case lab na confirm chigi case chigi nangmi chikpa but asymptomatic kunju chikche niwa the healthcare worker manju menga nanula memba meshap mota khalowa suina ta namgi menga healthcare worker che chama sungine chini suina kora che ni suspected or confirmed case COVID-19 gi care na involve yo wada chinna kunju inji minji kunju ni eligible race dosage de kare ladu asymptomatic healthcare worker la 400 mg twice a day on day 1 la 400 mg che followed by 400 mg once a week for next 7 week la once a week che asymptomatic household contacts de na 400 mg twice a day on day 1, then 400 mg once in a week for next 3 weeks. Healthcare worker the 7 weeks che, so household contact now 3 weeks. Chemoprophylaxis under the hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine that the it's not recommended for children less than 15 years. Lochonga nyonga recommend chiumares, and they are contraindicated in any cases of retinopathy, hypertensive retinopathy or diabetic retinopathy or other causes. Khani retinopathy khande cause chena rwa kujna contraindicated risk. Ani nyam to HCQ hydroxychloroquine la hypersensitivity yoga jena or chloroquine this thing based compound khari la hypersensitivity origina kunjo contraindicated re and hydroxychloroquine that so they has to be given only with the prescription of a registered medical practitioner. Tanda anju gi management da support da diganga sawache the next the discharge policies condition discharge chi ba discharge policies la ya kunjo gi guideline khasi chne shayore for mild very mild and pre-symptomatic cases la ta dinjo anjo COVID care center la nyagyo they may be discharged after 10 days of symptom onset. Symptom onset day 1 ne nimuchu ringa sha chugi jela ngadu discharge china digi yores and no fever for 3 days. Consecutive 3 days ringa la fever mewa tende check yores. Second point is they don't need to be tested before discharge. Discharge machingela get test chigo dewe negative chadu mindele ta umares kasi mild cases na ko discharge station dere on discharge get test chigo umares. For moderate cases moderate cases the dedicated covid health center la shagi den zores kunzu nangla nganzu yang group ni categorize chi share patient moderate cases in bala symptoms den ni masum nangla la within 3 days resolve che and saturation the 95% ya maintain chi any oxygen support mogo da ya den chungwa la jena kunzu thanging go den shi 10 days within 10 days of onset of symptoms nganzu discharge in the and fever da the last 3 days na fever shouldn't be there kunzu nanglo ya no testing den de go mare no testing before discharge any kunzu dikti strictly advised chigure ki home isolation for 7 days discharge savagela nima during inji minja na isolate chinite go use moderate cases ra yembala on oxygen de che any kuna thaya tis khabu chungyo fever the resolve nima 3 days na resolve machi wada auto support continue chigonge chidik jina kunzu ti in nimachu criteria dis ne yo mare dinanola clinical symptoms resolution changma matha bodu inji minji sha go use and saturation maintain che the ability at least for 3 consecutive days nimasum continuous la kunzu saturation the more than 95% or whatever they comfortable maintain che tu bajik inji minji go res and kunzu dek nanola ya ma discharge machingo la ta chego mares there is no need to test sumba de severe cases nalola khadu discharge chego langade inji minji clinically full recover macha badu nya gores clinically full recover cha saduen shine discharge chine digres and denzo reg de inji minji RT-PCR enga test chegores throat swab lenare nasal swab lenare they should be tested negative once by RT-PCR. RT-PCR chisa vijala inji minji negative test chegores and then and only you can discharge them. The tabular form just to get a rough idea. Confirmed case mild, very mild, moderate, severe. Mild, this is only for discharge policy. Mild cases can be discharged after 10 days of symptom onset. Symptom day 1 start chene, after 10 days you can discharge and at least for 3 days no fever. No RT-PCR required, test chego maris. Moderate cases nala fever resolved within 3 days, no oxygen support or symptoms took more than 3 days, continuous oxygen support. Tingija nangnola for first one tingu nashi nimasum nangnola fever sama resolved che yago deu chuina you can discharge after 10 days of onset of symptoms. Make sure there is no fever, no breathlessness and no O2 requirement. Kunzu reg nangnola ya RT-PCR go maris. Symptoms moderate even che nimasum le ma go che and then continuous O2 support go over jena they can be discharged only after resolution of clinical symptoms. Clinical symptoms resolute chane shine discharge chegore saturation d consecutive 3 days la inji minji maintain chegore the d rig dit ganga on discharge RT-PCR kya kuch go mare senge test chego mare severe cases the inji minji they have to be tested are negative on RT-PCR in the end and that too after full clinical recovery. Full recover macha badu discharge cheyo mare chachani jaldi chintigres at the end so menga nanul ta tanda menga shija menga shukche nanula kunju trying sure OPD hours la morning 9 to 5 de la gate till a try area search ani menga shukche search ta manche sama suyo gire de nanula nganju nganju menga do yina titia menga ina nganju de try search nalola never su yong jina kesi chawa dang URI ge symptoms na stangi yo mare mage ka che ani di member never ta ya na za shimba chini tha she shimba kono zu khari yone de ti ke shimban zo stangi yore denzo rek de never mage rang sha ani mage nurse ching zo station chini sha yore morangi temperature da chama check chi yore ani patient categorize chi yore ani magela doctor da ani ya shimba khar support go ga nga so mage to chi men da chama phani te che pani rang discharge tangi ani kisi thoba yo da ya suspect ne yo nan phane ki je khaptu covid suspect war na la anjo admit chi di chi yore ta triaging area de la kisi nurse su de yo na dila ta anda de checklist ho ju yo it might be helpful patient na ta kisi acute respiratory illness case de segregate che do the ever che do ti de print out chine tigre fever cough coryza sore throat loss of sense of smell or taste yes no then yes you can do na and the nga so phage separate areas la shana tigre adi magela try to do nurse that it might be helpful konala dinyam the checklist the kisi din yes thewala jena next checklist dikha chi urela na kije thiure uksag dwa difficulty in breathing dwa the next me ana pressure or pain in chest to chest na do phangu tamgu do mindu or there is increased confusion do mindu yana bluish lip to bluish face to or extreme fatigue then you na yes ta ha mama thuna and it indicates it's a severe cases moderate to severe now to urine alarming chigwa da appropriate dida it's just for the page station nurse che degirwa koran la test che pen thoy che dure teche and kisi joshi niwadi Koreans na COVID-19 transfer of suspects and confirmed cases. Nangzo shukche neba ngaran su de khashi manage khashi ya transfer chi goe da ya phane su leng goe da di leshi mangbo yudu ambulance di yama transport che de pe khechimbo cha de sha da di transport chi de ngazo khade chi ni transport chi gore khade khari chi gore di kola tuju shwe a purpose meant to guide our ambulance drivers and technicians working in our healthcare centers. So health centers now ambulance motor khalo ware dinam do ya technician chimba laga chingi na the under Department of Health CTA kunjula da COVID-19 suspect or confirmed patients zone khande chini designated center la khande ke godo khar chi godo and they call the thambo the transportation of patients chirwa patient transport che ngoma purpose che niwa the staff korangi khande chini person protection maintain chi godo che sumba the infection control khande chi gimba thongma their transportation of patients so wo ambulance naga need do BLS ambulance la da ALS ambulance BLS la do basic life support che de naula ventilator da de ke me wache basic life support manzo on the list kha she jiyo tenjo nemgi chala anjo wache ALS la do advanced life support de naula ventilator with available ventilator ambulance re ambulance staff chiyore dinashi ambulance staff now and driver in a technician chimba in a kunju sama inji minje they should be trained and oriented with common signs and symptoms kunaza common signs khare symptoms khare di sama inji minje kunjula lopso kya utos commonly used nangyo ambulance the basic life support BLS ambulance now la khar yor na stretcher trolley vital monitor patient NIBP blood pressure monitor chiye da saturation check chiye oxygen source with mask and flow meter ambu bag with face mask automated external defibrillator AED kisi yo wala jena ani suction apparatus catheter emergency drug trays kisi available yo wala jena the list maintain china ya goto ta kisna ngonzo ambulance motor khalo wa denzola ta kisi ngonzo patient de leta na handle ligre either kunjula khaba ligre on the source of patient jurwa yana konazula ta mane mengala khaba dana re ya ambulance driver kona ngoma khaba dana re ngazu tinde nebaj to dilanga zu menga yong to ni ngujanga zu lenga yong chile dinde chi call levere yana ngazu menga interfacility transfer chiye yore ta tambo kesi on call request kesi ta shija khane 시자네레 곰바네레 가네네다 on call request phone khawale wache dinde sine case le warjena and thambo anjo khachi bolna inji minji take demographic detail name age gender khari badi kejesti and yewa dela patient gi da khawale di patient khari na to khar to takchen khar to khar kangi thi do di ganga inji minji kejesti go patient na cough fever yume difficulty in breathing yume history of any international travels or history of any travel to now red zone areas in India. Remember whether patient was under only home quarantine as advised by local health administration. Home quarantine email that the details hama kije thi khajin na ko ganjogi deepa ngana zo person protection ready cheyegi tanga ambulance travel jewaj nanga pick up chiga to go ni ne da nge patient khari khigi yodi nga how go yadi khechim bure naza khar to ko khar kangi do the inji minji khaba na ngin kije theche ni ba the interfacility do wenda nga jo ana student mengan dene ne ta kisingegi dedicated covid center chila covid hospital chila ta wo chunggo na level 3 care la ICU treatment go na and the facility check ne phaju shimba jil ta ngai dirwe the nawala mage rangi medical incharge su yuna ta korangi advice chesu follow chine tigre but ideally PP ganga kyongo chigre patient now it's an pa transfer chigure ta kisi patient di tanga jo on call request na patient lenga chiba je mage korangi khaba jeshe samal la chabre de ne nagu neba thangbo de tu wanda inji minji neba su tu wa na thangbo neba attendant chik yungurwa korangi jala mask triple layer mask simple chik provide che neba chik nyam de attendant chik allow che nyam de yon te gre na kon di che na la ambulance na lo ta and the next day management on board kisi che thu bale je na kisi driver chik pu ina khona la the clinical idea shita yo mare knowledge yo mare like nyam the technician din available yo na and now lo ambulance na le wata check vital ta patient ki blood pressure heart rate respiration saturation ensure patient is stable ime kisi go chuna if required give oxygen supplemental oxygen therapy te saturation di maintain 90 bod chitu vet right chi ani kisi ventilator support yo wala jina ani ma tange sui de gi na shi follow che de ani patient di handover chi du patient ta kisi required destination na le sa wala jina de menga le wina le ya high center shamba le wala jina patient the hand over the patient and details of medical intervention if performed langa lakena sta khari kai the so kharchi intervention kharchi khari the ganga detail machi te gore ani personal protection equipment kit yorwa and they should be taken off as per protocol the take off chisa vejala and hand followed by hand washing and biomedical waste generated including PPE the sujong around the protection chiyo waste generate chira the sama biohazard bag yellow bag na discard chire yellow bag na discard che and the bag the tie chi and then 1% sodium hypochlorite ge inside the nanglo in sama spray chi and properly dispose chire kora hospital mage gi covid waste management area the khande khawasha sha delani yellow area de la chushare personal protection da inji miji khechem bo re da neba yama transfer system me khalowa driver da nanglo technician khunju like naza goe pe nyanga chem bo re and so khunju yama transfer mangbo chidu with risk pe high yours and then there are a few personal protection onjugi steps onju advice chitu re patient hand hygiene most single important practice to reduce transmission soap na water yona yakshu at least for 20 to 30 seconds following WHO hand washing guidelines this steps follow chi or alcohol based hand rub hand rub this ni this samasya ani PPE kyendi there's a rational use of PPE personal protection equipment la dikhonju ya khona rimba mangbo jure PPE sur ganga kyen ne basu ina changmal di kyen de chena ani ngonju ya ko one time use indi chingana rakhagbo yudu ni waste chaya dan den yanga yure so that's why we want to use PPE rationally samne yago tanje pheju khawal go mindu rational use cheje the and the scenario sum re the dinde case chuna ani risk hazam re and khari kyong yume the patient ne kya kisi ambulance driver che cha shawajna ko ambulance drive chipu chie lega ina ambulance chipu drive che cab ki patient dan jo yama dinde care concern me wache su stable che if he is only driving patient interaction me wajna risk low risk shida high use mares dinde rignala triple layer mask simple medical triple layer mask che any loose gloves or no disposable gloves dinde kyona take this case niwa dikalna transporting patient cherwa any not on any assisted ventilation kunju nanola moderate risk indi any N95 mask na gloves khuna ya ku yures patient sumba dikhare management of severe acute respiratory illness while transporting any kind of severe acute respiratory illness ladita severe case jo on the case nang severe case khande ina confirm ina re kana thokba suspect transfer chiyuna re su ina kunju ganga inji high risk dinde indio kunju driver chama full component PPE kyongores PPE ganga gone sugu ganga gown re goggles re mask re gloves re shoe cover or face shield and everything din chama khyen che ani shine transfer chegres all cases of sari cases sama inji shimba so depends on risk pa whether so triple layer khyen yore N95 khyen yore de chegchen this and the chisa vejela ambulance driver the never transfer che suzo protection che the next the never case vejela you have to make sure ki ambulance the engine minji thoroughly clean che disinfect che halna ya next the never shimbal lidu ni naza gwen yanga yures equipment and surfaces contaminated if they come in contact with patients skin blood and body fluids ambulance nanola equipment in a trolley in a door handle in a any surfaces the contaminate chari raise kisi patient skin blood or body fluid nyamdo contact liya varajina and the inji it's mandatory to clean and disinfect chigures using 1% sodium hypochlorite or alcohol based disinfectants at least once daily nimachana inji thin chikna inji or chuna after every patient contact kya nimachana trip nga chingwarajina inji after every trip chituna yabu your wrist clean chiyade chimate varajina at least once in a day 1% sodium hypochlorite ki clean chigures and disinfect chigures commonly nganjuta khar chala khar contact li re patient stethoscope yore blood pressure cuff monitors stretchers backboards immobilization devices radios mobiles if available shelves door handles and other items and surfaces in ambulance tinjo ganga to patient ki touch na le degres decontamination needs to be performed every time a suspect or confirmed case is transported in the ambulance. Following steps can be followed. Wear gloves, N95 mask, and damp wipe all contact surfaces with cloth saturated with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. 1% sodium hypochlorite solution cloth damp web saturate clean cheers. Kisi visibly soiled surface gonna tag blood tissue or spill sputum ray or any kind of body fluids excretion any kind, they should be cleaned with disinfected detergent. Discard all disposable items and infectious waste in biohazard bag nala luare kisi disposable dindena and the bag the interior the exterior ganga chona 1% sodium hypochlorite solution gi spray chi after time chona amila it should be sprayed should be given to hospital to dispose accordingly. The waste is chagwadi waste in ka menga khawale achu kunju covid section gi waste biomedical waste management naula amage phagel dispose chigures. Change cotton mop water after disinfecting after each cleaning cycle. Remove gloves and mask and wash hands with soap for 30 seconds after you have done. Samasya sarajala gloves the mask and suppi and then 30 seconds mingala lawa full lawa ya to risk. The ambulance driver gi case nebaya ma transfer chiti kunjugi condition follow chewide doji so wo dinga zo ta chija kha gi menga di mangche covid care center di chasha di nanla so mild cases ta moderate cases manageable yona and din yara di ninga zo manage ke chumbutu and dingi da dodu manage cheyanga zo khar karne ga che khar du da dingi da she cash and hopefully any pento chong rewa yes touching